In this video I'm gonna check if Quick Share on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion works with AirDrop on iPhone. So in order to check if that works, what you can do is you can make sure that the AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes on your iPhone. And of course make sure that you are using ideally the same Wi-Fi as on your Motorola. Now, besides that, now we can go to Quick Share on our Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So let's go ahead and open it. We're gonna go to Send, and then in here we should be able to select anything that we want to transfer. So let's say I'm just gonna choose a random image. And then in here we should be able to find our iPhone if, of course, Quick Share works with AirDrop on this phone. But as you can see, nothing appears in here. There is simply no way to use Quick Share with AirDrop on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, unfortunately. Of course, we can try to use the QR code, so technically you should be able to try to scan this QR code that we have in here, but I assume we will not be able to get all these files from here. So there we go. Let's see if we can use it, if we can get the selected file. And there we go. Can't receive files from the sender, so unfortunately it doesn't work. At least right now, as I am recording this video, it is not possible to use Quick Share with AirDrop on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. This might change in the future, but currently it is not possible. Leave a like and subscribe.